Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. As you all know, the winter is here and the days are already colder and shorter, also darker. A change in season also means change in the way your plants behave, their needs and their growth patterns. Just like any other season, prepping your garden for winters is very essential. And if you stay in a place like Delhi, then it is definitely necessary. The temperature is extremely cold, and with the cold temperature, there is fog, dust, pollution, etc. For this, the plants cannot breathe easily, and the plant's growth becomes stunted. Maximum plants go into dormancy period during this time. So in today's video, I will tell you all on how you can take care of your plants during this winter season. So let us start with it. First step is to keep all of your plants together in a sunny area. If they stay together, they will be able to protect each other from the cold climate. And if it's possible for you, you can cover your plants with a plastic sheet every evening when it is already getting cold outside. The next step is showering, especially if you live in an area where there is lots of dust roaming around. It is best when you shower your plants during noon, because during that time it will be the best temperature and the plants will get washed properly as well as will dry quickly. And make sure to do this 1 or 2 times per week. As the temperatures drop during these times and the plants go into dormancy period, very little water is needed. So you need to water your plants 1 to 2 times in a week. And if possible, those days only you can shower your plants. Because if we overwater during this time, then the plants have a chance of root rotting, which will eventually dry up the plant and kill the plant. The next tip is the most essential tip. It is needed for winter as well as summer. This is nothing else but mulch. Mulching is a process where you can put any kind of dry leaves, straw, paper on the soil of the plant. The next step is about insect attacks. During these times, your plants have a higher chance of getting insect attacks. This is because of the temperature drop, also because of the fog and pollution. So make sure to check your plant time by time and apply Bioenzyme or neem oil. Next, I'll tell you about the fertilizer. If you have any kind of fruiting, flowering or vegetable plant, make sure to fertilize them with kitchen waste compost or any other kind of liquid fertilizer. And to the dormancy plants, make sure to only apply liquid fertilizer once a month. Make sure to take care of your winter flowers like this and enjoy your gardening. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.